Hello everyone. In this lesson today, we are going to revise the alphabet letters A to E. In maths, we are going to identify biggest, bigger, smallest, and smaller. At the end of this lesson, there is a game. We have to capture the mouse in the red box, but you'll see that later. You are going to see the letters on the screen and I will be saying the letter. Please repeat the letters after me and then we can go through the words that the letter can also stand for. So our first letter is A. A can stand for apple, ant, art, and any, alone. B can stand for ball, bat, bath, bed, blanket, and bread. K. K can stand for cat, candle, coffee, climb, coke, cake. D. D can stand for door, dog, dig, dance, dream, and dress. And last but not least, E. E can stand for eggs, effort, and elephant. So we did 5 letters of the alphabet today. I want you to see if you can come up with any more words that start with those 5 letters. See if you can do it. Now we are going to identify which of these are the biggest and which of them are the smallest. Now first they ask us which lion is the biggest. Can you see the biggest lion? Yes, the last line is the biggest lion. We can tell he is the biggest because if you look at the first line, his head to his feet, this bracket is much smaller than this lion from his head all the way to his feet. Okay, you can see now that the last line is much bigger than both of these lions because his head and his feet, the bracket shows that he is much bigger. Okay, now let's see which apple is the smallest apple. Can you find the smallest apple? Yes, it is the middle apple. Again, look at how he stands. His bracket is only that big. If you compare it to the biggest apple, the biggest apple's bracket in yellow is the biggest one. But now they asked us which apple is the smallest. It is the middle apple. Okay. Now we are looking at smaller and bigger. So smaller meaning smaller than the picture they give you first, not the smallest. So if I ask you which mouse is smaller than the first mouse is being this one. Now we have to look for the smallest one. Can you find the smaller one? Yes. The smaller one is this mouse with the yellow circle because this one is much bigger than your first mouse. If we look at the cats, they're asking what cat is bigger than the first cat, not which is the biggest cat. Okay, so this is our first cat. Look at the other 2 cats. Can you find one bigger than the first cat? Yes, this one is bigger than the first cat. Okay, that is it for today. Now, try and see if you can catch the mouse in the box by clicking pause on the video. Thank you.